Welcome back to our channel. My name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys Security Systems in Canada. In today's video, I would like you to learn how to connect the Incomlink communicator to the cloud network. Before we can do this, we need to make sure that the LTE or the LTE Wi-Fi unit is connected to the internet. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile only or both, you need to make sure that the green LEDs are flashing, at least one of them. If you want to learn how to do this, please watch our previous video showing how to do it with either the hotspot, if you have a Wi-Fi unit, or the USB software. Okay, so what we can see here, I am connected to both the cell network and the Wi-Fi network, so we're ready to start adding the device to the cloud account. Let's go to the computer now. From my laptop, I want to go to incomlink.com. This is the address to get to the cloud portal for Incomlink devices. This portal will allow you to add all of your clients' devices so you can monitor them to see if they're online, if there's any issues with them. From the portal, you can also upgrade the firmware of the device if required. Though I suggest you contact tech support before doing so we can maybe have a look at the system and confirm that you really need that new firmware. Also, you can see the latest events sent to the central station, and it's a very good tool to troubleshoot the system. When you hit the splash page for the incomlink.com site, you need to register a new account the first time. If you have already an account, like myself, you can enter the username and password and log in. If you don't have any devices listed, now what you need is the ID of your Incomlink device. The ID is printed underneath your Incomlink device. So this is the ID I need to enter when you add, okay? By default, there is no password to connect to the cloud server. Obviously, after adding the device, we suggest that you change the password to a more complex password, and then the device will be safely added to the cloud. So back to the software. I want to add a new device. I will paste the ID of my device. I leave the password blank and I add. Now if I look at the list of devices, I have this new device connected to my cloud. I can see it's online. If you want, you can change the name of it. Something like this. I can set the name. I can see that I'm now connected to the Videotron cellular network with a single strength of 70%, and I can now select the Wi-Fi network I want to connect to. In this case, I want to connect to the guest network. Like this. Rebooting the cell. Usually about in 30 seconds it should be done. Perfect. The status will change shortly. So like what we've seen in the previous video, you will need to fill in the IP address for your monitoring station receivers, 1 and 2. Enter the object identifier, enter the settings that they will provide to you. Make sure that the APN, if you're using the Inaxsys SIM cards, that it is EM, like Echo Monica. All right, and then when you're done, you press the Save Changes, and the device will then apply the changes. Like I said, you can add all of the client's devices you've put on the field to this list. You can also have your technicians or other team members to add them as well. There's no limit on how many people can actually monitor this list of devices. You can reboot them remotely. You can activate the outputs to test the key switch arming and disarming. So this is a very good tool for you to monitor your system devices when you're back at the office or at home. Again, thanks for watching. My name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. Please subscribe to the channel, register to notifications, and let us know if you have any questions or comments below. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching.